Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss a very important case. This is an athlete. I'm not going to reveal the identity and the federation. This athlete was suffering from an infection, and for that infection, he had consulted a local doctor. That local doctor had prescribed him certain medications. He gave him IV fluids at his clinic. Okay, and after almost about a week, the clinician feels that him dosage of those medications for 1 week, and was smart. He just got to know this medication was nandrolone decanoate, 100 mg injection, 100 mg injections. Now, nandrolone is an anabolic steroid, and when athlete asked the clinician that why you had prescribed me the steroids. So athlete had been prescribed a medication, but he was not aware about it. Even though the medication is banned, who will going to bear the expenses of it? Obviously the athlete. Now this we call it as unintentional or inadvertent doping. That means the athlete has been prescribed a medication, he was not aware about it. But that is not going to save the athlete. Okay, now the injection had been given, it is inside his body, and when anyone from the NADA or WADA will test him, his urine sample will reflect back that banned substance. Now I have a question to ask. Is it just the responsibility of an athlete? What if the athlete don't know because you're not prescribing a generic medication, you are prescribing a brand name? So don't you think that as a medical practitioner, it's also become the responsibility that when you are treating an athlete, it's very important to know that which medication is banned or not? And that is why it is very important for an athlete also to know that which doctor they are consulting. Always consult a sports medicine specialist, an expert who is well versed with the anti-doping rules. All I have to say is it is your life which is going to be on the stock. And now you know what, at this point of time, because we as a country is #1 in the anti-doping list, we need to be aware, not just the athlete, as a doctor itself. Now, if you want to know more about this case, follow me for the part 2, because in part 2, I'm going to explain that how that has jeopardized almost 1 year of an athlete and how you can save yourself from the situation like this. Follow on for part 2.